Here's how you remove the connector. Start from the left pin. Just apply some pressure slightly. See how it's starting to move out of place, and then just push it out. Do not push hard, just let the soldering iron slightly melt it off. Same thing for the other ones. Small pressure, not enough to push the pads off. And there you go. Starts moving out. That's another connector. Here's the other one. There you go. And last one. Alright, so that's all of them off, and I just put pressure right here in the corner to lift the pad off. And same thing here. And it's off.